Come here often.
Non.
Okay.
Tombe. Tombe. Bon, t'as qu'à les pieds dedans, il voit. Une autre, allez. C'est bon, là. Prends une autre. Hein.
Obinyi. In memory of the Hmong who fought for France. Hey, Bella. Bella. It's our garden. The little hole.
Je crois que c'était plus grand que ça avant.
Huh?
I thought it was bigger than that before.
It looked bigger. Yeah. So this way. Go back to town just now.
Là, c'était des Gilles Simon avant. Non? Ou c'était déjà mort à l'époque?
Je me rappelle plus. What did they used to do here? They used to do some wheat here, right?
Le vieux Michel qui lui avait été là. C'est faire.
What are you doing, man? Salle de fête. This is our school.
Quand on avait fait les noms.
Ouais,
Hein?
ouais, c'est...
Moi j'avais fait le numéro 6 avec le singe.
Ouais, ouais. Oh là là. These are our numbers that we had back in '95. I remember my dude is still here.
Ça fait des souvenirs.
This guy I did. Wow.
Vous voulez aller dans une classe avec moi?
Ouais, pourquoi pas?
Vous étiez des Laotiens aussi? Oui. Vous étiez des Hmong? Des Hmong ou des Laos?
This is
Moi,
Mr. Infestin.
quand vos parents sont arrivés à Aubigny, bon, ils venaient, vous vous rappelez à l'époque où il y a eu ce qu'on appelait les bruits de people. Vous savez, ils sont partis, il y avait la guerre, et tout ça. Et quand ils sont arrivés à Aubigny,
I used to stand here on this
c'est moi qui
podium here.
on a appris apprentissage du français. On a appris à remplir les papiers, par exemple dans une voiture, on a connaît toutes les parties de la
back good memory, very good memories.
C'était important.
On est chez monsieur Moabler.
Chez monsieur
Moabler.
Huh? This is my old school, kindergarten school. Moto.
C'est un champion du monde de moto.
Bon, ça c'est une crêpe salée. Salty crêpe. Sausage and like this. That. French style. Alright, we're about to tear it up right now. Well, let's try it. Good stuff. Woo! This is paella and this is
Kebab.
kebab. French fries with what kind of meat is this? C'est quoi comme viande?
C'est du mouton.
Mouton. With sub, French fries. You got some rice. French style. Yeah. Alright, let's tear it up, man. Alright, we're on our way to the Ark of Triumph. We are inside right now. Workout, do workout. Bahia. These are all the stairs. Buddy, here you go. I'm my guide. Chocolate. What? Pretty detailed, see that? Another shot of Notre Dame at night. Woo! Notre Dame. For some weird reason, people put their locks on here. It's all on this bridge here. Don't know why. But it's on this side and it's on that side.
You have to know.
I have to find out why. Okay, so according to this, these are locks, and we just found out some information saying that it is for love. So what you do, you come here, you put your lock on here, and you throw your keys inside the water, and it's supposed to bring you luck.
Today we go in Paris and I'm tired.
Today with Paris all
오늘
day.
문화 어신저와 겉행에 은어 윙필러 아고 그래지요.
Obrigado. Cắt lách nhau sẽ trừ cho một tròn đắp lách nhau sẽ nào cái bò sẽ đấy So they're not done with it because I have like 2 hours, man.
I know.
Go to the beginner.